Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you filter and adjustment on Adobe Photoshop mobile app to make your photo looks more cinematic. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Photoshop mobile application and then we can choose a photo that we want to edit using Photoshop. And wait guys, let me choose my photo. Okay, I'm going to choose this photo. And as you can see that the photo is not that good, it's dull, and I'm going to make it looks more cinematic and captivating. Okay, for the filter you can go to the looks right here, and then I'm going to choose the HDR filter, and I'm going to choose let's try the HDR 1 or 5, and I think I'm gonna go with this HDR 1. Okay, and then we can go to the adjustment, and to make it more cinematic I'm going to increase the texture just a little bit. Okay, and clarity, I'm going to increase the clarity and sharpen, and I'm going to make it more green. So I'm going to go to the color mix, and then I'm going to choose the green color and increase the hue and also the saturation. Okay, and luminance, I'm going to increase it. Okay, and then I'm going to go back to the adjustment, and I'm going to apply this dehaze. Okay, it looks better, right? And you can also apply blur as well if you want. And I'm just going to select the background. I'm gonna make the background blur, but wait, I'm going to undo it. Okay, you can make the background blur. Yeah, I think I have already made the background blur, but this feature is not free guys, so you can choose the blur like this. Okay, and you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. Okay, and I'm done, so I'm gonna go back, and this is the result. And if you want to save it, just click on this download icon and the photo will be saved to your device. Okay, and that's all the filter and adjustment on Photoshop that will make your photo looks more cinematic. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.